Little angel reader.
Little angel reader.
Do you like animals?
Do you like animals?
Do you like pigs? Yes, I do. Do you like pigs? No, I don't.
Look at this white tiger. Do you like tigers?
Look at this white tiger. Do you like tigers? Yes, I do. Do you like tigers? No, I don't.
Look at the green frogs.
Do you like frogs? Yes, I do. Do you like frogs? No, I don't.
Look at this gray wolf.
Look at this gray wolf. Do you like wolves? Yes, I do. Do you like wolves? No, I don't.
Look at this sad doggy.
Look at this sad doggy. Do you like dogs? Yes, I do. Do you like dogs? No, I don't.
Two brown bears.
Do you like bears? Yes, I do. Do you like bears? No, I don't.
Look at this beautiful horse.
Look at this beautiful horse. Do you like horses? Yes, I do. Do you like horses? No, I don't.
Look at this cute seahorse.
Look at this cute seahorse. Do you like seahorses? Yes, I do. Do you like seahorses? No, I don't. Do you like mermaids?
What? A mermaid is not an animal. Look at this blue monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
Look at this blue monkey. Do you like monkeys? Yes, I do. Do you like monkeys? No, I don't.
Look at this beautiful white mouse. Her name is Angelina Ballerina.
Do you like mice? Yes, I do. Do you like mice? No, I don't.
Look at this yellow duck.
Look at this yellow duck. Do you like ducks? Quack, quack. Yes, I do. Do you like ducks? No, I don't.
Look at this white lamb. A lamb is a baby sheep.
Do you like lambs? Yes, I do. Do you like lambs? No, I don't. Look at this funny sheep.
The sheep is wearing skates. How funny!
The sheep is wearing skates. How funny! Do you like sheep? Yes, I do. Do you like sheep? No, I don't. Do you like funny monsters?
A monster is not an animal.
A monster is not an animal.
But I like this funny monster.
Me too. I like this funny monster too. Do you like this ladybug teaser?
What? A ladybug teaser?
Ladybug teaser. Do you like this ladybug teaser?
Yes, I do! Yes, I do!
If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have you read any of my books? Which one is your favorite? Boo! We love you guys. Thank you for reading with us today. Boo, boo, boo. If you like my stories and the way I read them aloud on my channel, You can support me by buying my books on Amazon. You can also thank me here. PayPal littleangelreader@gmail.com. Thank you for all your help and for reading with us today. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.